Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Life360 guide step by step ways to permanently delete your account. So here I'll be giving you ways to how to permanently delete your um, account here at your what do you call this here at your what do you call this Life360. I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry for keep forgetting. So all we need to do is open up our Life360. Once we open up our Life360, press on account on the left side corner. I mean settings right there in the left side corner. Then go down till you see account. Right here you can press on that, and then you'll see delete account. As you see right here, this will delete your entire account and remove you from all services on Life360. And then once you read all that, yes, confirm, and then press on continue right there. So there you go. As you can see. So, and another way to delete your account here in Life360 is by just going to settings right here and just going down till you see privacy and security right here, and only just press on it. Once you're here, you're in your privacy and security. All you need to do is press on additional data rights right here, as you see right there. Then you just need to go down and you will see delete your account, as you see right there. All you need to do is press on delete your account, and then it will show you the same information before deleting your account right here. And then all you need to do is click on yes, I confirm. After doing that, just click on continue. After clicking continue right there, there you go. You will be able to delete your Life360 account permanently. So there you go guys, I hope you guys like the video, because you enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below. We'll be happy to answer you guys, and thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.